Hey guys, I've got the mooncake gift set box from Ommi's Food, and this they have the astronaut series limited edition. They have 4 different flavors. So matcha latte, oolong tea osmanthus, Taro salted egg yolk, and Kuki black sesame. And they also come with this cute gift box inside. Wait, it's not coming out. Wait, this one. Like this one is the LED moonlight that it can light on like this. I have the one that's already light on. And they have 3 figurines of the astronaut, 4 flavors and 2 pieces for each flavors. This one is a matcha latte, oolong tea with osmanthus, Taro and salted egg yolk, and Kuki black sesame. They're all really nice, and then you can get it for the Happy Mid-Autumn Festival. They pop-up store at the moment until the 23rd of September, if I'm not wrong, but I will put in my caption. You can visit it Broadway, Rhodes, and any other stores to do the pop-up, to try and have a tester first before you buy. They also have other, you can also get these boxes, the smaller boxes, and this one is all the pastries one, the pastries flavor, the crispy apple crisp pastry, salted egg yolk pastry, and taro and mochi pastry. Yeah, and they're all from Ommi. And you can have a tester in the pop-up store. I will put in my caption so you know where to go. Bye! See you in my next vlog.